Oh boy, who do we have here?
I'm Brian Cos.
Brian, what are we doing today?
We're going skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with a stranger.
Yes, sir.
Trust me to throw you out even though we just met.
Yes, sir.
You're crazy. Was this your idea?
A little bit. It was my brother's.
So always blame somebody else when you can, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Any last words, final comments, or confessions?
Let's do this.
We are going to do this. For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and skydive. Have some fun. Let's go. You guys ready for this? All right, we made it back to the ground. Woo! What do you think?
That was crazy.
You have fun?
Yes, sir.
Do that again someday?
Heck yeah, man.
Next time you can play with my balls, okay? Let you open the parachute.
That was crazy.
Good job. Woo! Skydive Colorado Springs.